Pero tayong talaga. Talaga. Okay ra. Okay ra. Pero tayo guys. Hello guys, abot namin diri sa Manila. Sa dari oh.
Ato pa po kay balikya.
Dala ba oh? Let's sabihin na buta ko.
Hi guys.
Ala oh. Oh. Pretty little baby. May aha ka nagtanaw ko sa kuan. Alo, nagkuan kag cellphone. Lagi oh. Hello, nakita po na ko sa kong kuan oh, na cellphone. Awa kong ang kuan ati awa ang kuan. Nakita ka na ko. Pretty little baby. Nakita anda ka diri sa kuan oh.
Dito.
Dali abo.
Oh, tapos na ha. Teka lang.
Uy, tsura. Boy. Si Boy. Kidok. Bata.
Baby love oh. Lablab.
Pero man.
Ano kay Serino, dili diri sa tubangan ba?
Arigana sa pari.
Serino ka ni.
Ikaw daw ti baby dali.
Ni lolo mo ka no.
Pila ka.
Kwanta sinoan?
Ay si baby love. Para sila. Hindi ko na kong bag. Tanggalagod, please.
Tara sa Boy.
Hello, guys.
Okay kami sa akin.
TikTok, tak, tok, tak, tok, tak.
She patiently fed Thomas, speaking softly.
Magsama ka, uban ka.
Usok sa mag.
Awa.
Luna! Where are you going?
I'm doing something here. You stay home and rest.
Luna! Luna, please, let me go with you! Luna, please, let me go with you! I want to go with you!
Okay, fine. Wash.
Hoy. May open. Bisa ko may open.
He offered to go with her to thank her for taking care of him while he was sick.
Ano yung pangalan mo si
Ay,
Juan?
ito yung ana.
Junior. Ay, Junior.
Yes, sir.
No. Dapan ka na ni. Dasikan ang tani. Dasikan.
You have to gather all the
Ikaw na ganito rin.
Boy,
Thomas and
dasikan.
Luna found a new job as street traders.
Yes, sir.
Ban ka?
Ay, gato. Thank you so much. Yes, I don't want to mind it. That's worse. I don't want to.
Thomas was feeling anxious because he had not fully recovered from his illness, but there was a lot of work to be done. Under the sweat and heat, Thomas was tired from working hard.
Isa sa sulod.
Thomas! Are you okay, Thomas?
I'm fine.
Dali lab, tapos na lab.